Hello my friend, welcome to TubeU channel, I'm Henry. Change the 3D printer to a 2D plotter or handwriting machine is not a new topic. There are a lot of videos explained how to do it. After I watched the video, I think there are still some issues that must be considered. Most of them use a ball pen as a writing tool, but with hard contact with the 3D printer bed. It is hard to adjust the height of the ball pen, or it will harm the bed or not contact with the bed. Another issue is they usually remove the hot end when used as a 2D writing tool. It is also not convenient, since I don't want to disconnect the hot hand at any time. Now I will tell you how to solve these problems. Stick around. Let's start. I designed a simple case to fix the ball pen to 3D printer head. This ball pen was used for writing and it is very smooth and handy. Then I found it can be bought from Amazon JP, made by Mitsubishi. It is about $1 per piece. I only used the ball pen refill that has a knob in the top part. You can also directly buy this refill with $0.7 per piece. The diameter of the ball pen is 0.38 mm, quite thin for a ball pen. Also, it is very smooth when writing. I use a spring to connect it to a ball pen shell. The ball pen can move up and down a little straight. Fix the ball pen to 3D printer head is also easy. You can adjust the strength by adjusting the ball pen shell position. It is easy to fix and can contact to 3D printer bed softly and firmly. Now go to the home page that can change the text to G-code. Thanks to the author, it is still free. You can even add a multiply text format in the letter. The fonts are limited, but for the test, it is very good. Open the G-code file with Notepad. You can see the G-code file is quite simple. It leads with G28 XYZ. This command tells the printer to run its homing sequence. But some printer will not respond to this command. The better way is to change this command to two commands. We can change it to G28XY that tells the printer head go to XY home position. G28Z will tell the printer head to go to Z home position. Then go to Z 15 mm height with 6000 feet rate. Then move to X 31.2 mm, Y 101.8 mm. The very long X and Y number precision is no meaning, but we just leave it alone. Then go to Z 13.2 mm height to start drawing. Now we know in the height 13.2 ball pen will start writing, and at a height of 15 mm the pen will move without writing. Back and forward the handwriting will go on. At the end, go to height 15 mm and go to X home place. Here we know that the writing place is 13.2 mm. There is no interference with the hot end of the printer. No other treatment is needed for your printer. Only release the ball pen and fix it when you want to handwriting. The G-code meaning is explained. Now we modified it a little for our handwriting. First, change G28XYZ to G28XY F3000 and G28Z 1000 to initialize the printer. Then go to X0, Y0, Z 13.2 F1000 to tell the printer to 13.2 mm height. Then go to X100 to draw a line with low speed. At that time, we can adjust the ball pen height manually. Push the end cap a little to make the ball pen contact the bed. another line to tell the printer head go back to 0, just in case you are not fast enough to fix the pen. Now everything is prepared. Let's see how it works. We can see the printer works very well. The final output handwriting is very nice. The resolution is also good. We have changed the 3D printer to a 2D handwriting machine with an easy and simple way. It is also almost free since the ball pen is used for my daily life before. Since the hardware is already built today with this easy and simple way, next time I will tell you how to modify the G-code to make the 3D printer into a 2D plotter. It can draw, 2D sketch and do much more than you think. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.